In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Alerts to your Gmail account. This is a handy tool for staying updated on the latest news or information around specific topics that interest you. Whether you're tracking mentions of your name, a favorite sports team, or keeping up with industry news, Google Alerts will deliver the latest information right to your inbox. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Alerts page by typing in Google Alerts into the search bar or directly entering its URL if you have it at hand. This will bring you to the main Google Alerts homepage, where you'll see a simple search bar and a list of alert suggestions based on trending topics. Now, you're going to enter a topic of interest into the search bar. This could be a keyword or phrase that best describes what you want to be alerted about. For example, if you're interested in receiving updates about technology advancements, you'd enter something like latest technology news. After entering your query, click on the Create Alert button next to the search bar. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure yet. You'll have a chance to fine-tune your settings in the next steps. Once you've done this, you'll be directed to a page where you can customize your alert settings. You'll see options allowing you to adjust how often you receive alerts. This can range from as it happens, once a day, or once a week. Each setting serves different needs, so think about how frequently you want updates. If you're monitoring something time-sensitive, as it happens might be best, but for more general updates, daily or weekly could suffice. Next, you have the opportunity to select the sources for your alerts. These might include news sites, blogs, or even discussions. Alternatively, you can leave it set to automatic for a broad sweep of all possible sources. Additionally, choose the language, region, and whether you want only